Hello, it's jlfazmo, a 0 this time, from Raven Gaming, with xwolfalex. Where are you from, Gabriel?
Well.
Where are you from?
You what?
Where are you from? Like what channel I mean, not where.
I said Sheffield.
Shh. Might be some
I meant Millennium Gaming.
simmy jaffles.
I can't believe I just said that.
Well, it's a pretty big place, so I don't think they're going to track you down.
Oh, wow.
My mum was just shouting at her.
I need a fucking perk. Let's go find the power.
Right. That's alright. 60. Where are you? Oh, you disappeared for a second. Come on, come at me, brew.
Wow. I hate it when it lunges in for an hour.
Yeah, so the last game was kind of funny. I was looking for the knife button for like 5 minutes, and I just ended up typing into chat.
How do you do that, by the way?
I'm not sure. I think it's not F, it's not G. It might be T. Yeah, it's T. I just went like hit a load of buttons, and then I went ooh like that.
Get up! I want to kill you more.
Oh crap, I can't move! I've done the same. No! How do you exit chat?
Press enter.
Oh, thank God. I thought you had to press T again. Well, that makes no sense because then you won't be able to say any word with T in it.
Yeah. That's Gabriel's logic. Right then. Should we wait another round?
Okay.
Collateral. No ammo. I've got no ammo, so you know if you want to set off. No, there we go.
Bye.
What? Gabriel, your connection.
Ah! No!
Open the door. Oh crap.
Open! I can actually move when I'm down, but it's only like when zombies are pushing me.
Tell me there's one behind me. Do you want me to revive you or have you not bothered?
You can leave me if you want.
Okay.
It's not like I got any weapons, is it?
Oh, oh what? What?
What are you doing?
I pressed V, but I ended up pressing F by accident. I should make it 2 attempts, so.
Yeah, okay. That was terrible.
It's only because I'm not used to the controls. This is my second time ever on World at War, so you know.
Okay.
Oh, what's that?
I'm just rubbish.
That was really weird. Okay. Well, yeah, Gabriel, you went down first. What are you doing?
How do you look at your stats?
I don't know, but mine's stuck up now.
Because mine are like just staying up. I don't know
Same.
how to. This is really awkward.
Right, do you want to protect me while I look at the controls?
Okay,
Cooperative controls.
What does ping mean? So on the side it says ping.
Oh no, it's to do with your connection.
Oh.
Mine's not too good, obviously, because you're hosting.
Wow.
Blame it on the host. It's not because I'm in the middle of nowhere.
Did you find out what the control is?
Nope, I don't think there is one.
Okay. Great.
V. It was just hitting me for ages then. It was stuck in the animation. Should we open the top door?
Okay.
Because we seem to have got a lot more points than usual.
Um.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, it's tab.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, that helps. Cool.
What?
Got quite a few kills with that grenade then.
Yeah.
Did my grenade get anything?
I don't think so.
Okay. So what happens if you pack a punch your Colt? Because I don't think I've ever seen anyone do that.
It's like a Mustang.
Oh, so does it not shoot grenades?
Well, what I mean by that is, you know how usually you get Mustang and Sour?
Yeah.
Well, this time you only get Mustang.
So it does shoot grenades.
Well, it's just like one pistol that shoots a grenade instead of two.
Okay, yeah.
There's a max ammo down here. I'm feeling I'm gonna die. Oh wow. Oh, I died. I mean I survived. I Get my words, my lord.
The sound for the end of the round isn't too loud.
I know.
Yeah, there's no random thing. What? Oh,
Oh crap.
damn. Come on, X-Wolf-X.
Thanks.
Hmm.
Okay.
Oh yeah, they can only spawn down there, I forgot.
By the way, it's just me shooting them here. Oh.
I'm chucking a few grenades.
Oh yeah.
I saw you reloading that. Should we reload at different times? This is probably the last one anyway, tomorrow. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yep. Yeah.
Listen for all, comrades.
I want to suck your nose.
How about the door?
Okay. Yeah, you do have a little bit more. A little more points. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
Did you turn the power on?
No. I just wanted to get to this island. Wonder if they can spawn here. I have a bad feeling they can. Ha! They're just spawning out of the water.
Oh, connection interrupted.
That a horse with no head there.
It's in the hands of the people.
Oh, look at that. Look at
Oh
this.
my god.
My first box.
Have you seen that horse with no head there, Joe?
Yeah.
So weird.
No, no. Not yet. I knocked it off by some.
Is that from last night?
Oops.
Are you just getting all the kills over there?
Yeah.
So they can't spawn in here, so we could just stay here.
Yeah, I don't think they spawn over there. Where you are. I don't know what this is. That's anyone ground. With grenade launcher. Ah! Ah!
I was thinking to myself, I might not. Oh, I could just go and get a jug. I might not swap anything out for the Colt. Yeah, unless I get something really good.
Yeah.
And then I got the Wunderwaffe.
Wow.
It was funny. You know Luke Champion?
Yep.
By the way, his YouTube account is something like Champs Do Lols. He only does FIFA openings.
Pack openings as well.
Yeah. But that's you now, somewhere.
Tina's online.
Oh, I thought you just jumped off then.
Oh wow. Like
Scared
that.
me. Well,
Alright.
he was like taking the mick out of Chris. Because it says W's instead of R's, Chris.
Does it?
And because he's got like a W in his name, it's funny. Oh, an R in his name, I mean.
Which Chris is this?
Pickford.
Does he?
Yeah. Well, he only does it a tiny bit, but, you know, Luke could just take the mic. And I need some points.
I don't even know it is.
Yeah, no, it's not that big. But anyway, we're all saying stuff with R's in it. And then we're doing it, and then we left it for a bit, you know, like a little bit of a pause. And he went, Twesco. Like, there's no R in Tesco. Where did you get that from?
Oh, he's an idiot.
I think I'm running low. Why is it like faster on the top half of my screen?
Don't know. Wow, I've got trench gun and double barrel.
I had borrowed World at War off Luke just so I could get the trench gun or double barrel because I like the shotguns.
Yeah. I prefer double barrel to trench gun though.
Yeah.
Well, I do when I've got speaker on.
Oh, I needed that.
Oh, Audi 19 is offline. Oops. Oh wow, I nearly died. I'm not going that close anymore.
Happy sicker.
Ah!
I thought you were gonna die then.
Suddenly.
Oh, now you get double points.
Sorry, man.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, and I'm moving forward and backwards a little bit.
Pardon?
I don't know. It's probably something to do with settings.
Okay.
F4. There's quite a few coming towards you.
That's okay. I've got this sorted. I really can't spawn behind me.
I think I'm gonna run out of ammo soon. What, it hit me from that far away, seriously? If there's one left, just keep it. Oh, never mind.
Alright. Yeah.
What's better? Oh, it doesn't matter.
Good.
Taking up. What button are you pressing?
RB.
Oh yeah, you've got a controller on you. Whoa, lag. Gabriel,
What?
stop downloading stuff.
It's okay, I've got this sorted. Don't worry.
Okay, well, I'm lagging.
Don't worry, there are no dogs in here.
But the Skype call's not even roboty. I hope it keeps me in and just doesn't... Oh, there we go. No, no it doesn't. Yeah, it does. I think the way you tell is if the points go up normal.
Alright.
Because they just stuck halfway before.
You ready?
Wait. just rubbing it in a bit. Oh, come on. I didn't even say I'd reloaded.
So you're right.
Well, there'll probably be another one by the time I've, you know.
Probably.
I can pack a punch. I'm just gonna use this until I run out of ammo.
Okay.
It's a faster fire rate than I remember this. Connection interrupted again, oh my god.
What bits do you have?
Jug.
Right. Have you got a pack of range weapon yet?
No, not yet.
Okay.
It's a good spot this, because when I run away, they just go towards you instead of me.
This trench gun is rubbish compared to the double barrel.
There shouldn't really be a difference in damage, should there?
No.
Can you pack a punch the M1 with grenade thingy?
I don't know. I've never tried it before.
I've been pretty lucky, I think. I've got the brain in, by the way.
Okay. Are you thirsty partner?
Watch me fall off the edge now, and I've got all this stuff.
I don't think you can. I've already tried it. There's like a barrier blocking it.
Oh, good. Oh no, crap.
What would you have done if you tried it just then and you fell off?
I would have been slightly angry.
I'd be really funny. Tell me if you need a nuke.
If I hear a nuke.
If you need a nuke. I've got one right here.
Well, I don't know, may as well get it if you want.
Yeah.
I don't need any points, I don't think.
Okay. Fucking on it.
Took its time to get to me. You there? Speed cola.
Maybe with speed I have time for drink between kills, yeah?
Gabriel. 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 think Gabriel disappeared. Oh yeah, he said no scout. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine.
Don't fuck with the red menace. Only man and wife should be so close.
I think there's like, yeah, the one over there is left. I don't really like the browning, so I'm going to cover me. No.
They think I may have hit something. Ah, I have cured your ugliness. Did I just do that?
Oh, there's a nuke.
Better get me some ammo.
I think I'm gonna pack a punch.
Kill more freak bags first.
You
I'm
there?
back.
Yeah. What happened?
Damn.
I was just
Kill
talking
more
about.
freak bags first.
Why won't it let me pack punch my STJ?
No idea.
Get out of my way. I've got hell pigs
That's
to kill.
stupid. We get some points.
This looks pretty cool. Am I on the speaker?
You are?
Am I on the speaker?
Yeah.
Because I can hear myself. Oh, I can't anymore.
Okay. Look how awesome this looks.
Wait, there's quite a few behind you.
Okay. Oh, that's ammo. Forgot about that.
Crap. Two.
I'm gonna try pack punch here.
Doggers.
For some reason it don't let me pack punch from only got 5 rounds. Ooh yeah.
Oh, do you need like 510 or something?
Oh crap, I nearly fell off.
Oh, so you can like fall off the island, but not.
Wow. I'm just gonna stay back here while I eat some of my crisps.
Speed cola, speed cola.
Snowing here.
The hell did he go?
Let's say. Cheers, Joe.
What? What happened?
One of the dogs ran past you.
I
Okay.
wonder what happened. He just like disappeared and then he would.
I saw it do that.
Okay. Some might call it camping, but I just think I'm free. Something, I don't know. There we go. One's gone past me again.
Oh. Saw that again.
What? I cause bullshit. I wasn't even red screened.
Well, I'm few out of you.
Right, kill it and then. Oh god.
Wow, there's like 3 after that. Oh wow.
And I have no jug. Right, this calls for. Why wasn't I using this in the first place? How many are there left? I'll try and get you. Oh, what? Sorry.
You win some, you lose some.
Okay. Oh, finally.
This is worst vodka I ever taste. Hey,
Have you respawned?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I have nowhere near enough for Pack-a-Punch anymore. Do you have the jug?
Pardon?
Do you have Juggernaut?
No, I don't have enough money, so I just bought STJ.
Okay. I need a better gun. Well, I know this is like one of the best guns, but I've just got a text from Dan Brennan. You know, Charlie. He hasn't got a YouTube channel, but you know Charlie Lucas.
Yeah.
He's getting Battlefield 3.
He's getting Battlefield 4.
3. But I think he'll get in Battlefield 4 as well.
When does that come out?
Battlefield 4?
Yeah.
I have no idea. Apparently it's on PS3, PS4 and Xbox. And probably Xbox 720 if it's released.
Cool. Have you seen that new game that Bungie's bringing out for PS4?
I did hear something about it.
It was on that like live stream thing that PS4 did. It's like pretty much the same as Halo, but just looks a bit better.
Well, I'm down somehow.
I only have Colt ammo left. I think I might die.
I got one hit. You got enough for Pack-a-Punch, haven't you?
Oh yeah.
Is this the end? There's quite a few coming
Oh wow! I got hit once. This game is ball.
I know I got hit once. Well, at least it told me I got hit once. Look how many points I had. I should have Wonderwaft.
Should have done. Should.
I'm sorry.
I probably should have told you there was a zombie behind you as well.
Yeah, you said I should.
Okay, see you later
Wait, let me do some pixel art.
then. Okay.
Can you see it?
Pardon?
Look in the lobby chat.
In the lobby chat. Oh wow.
So that was it for this one. How many attempts do we have? Like 2?
Yeah.
First one was pretty short, so it's all one video. This should be up on Raven Gaming, I think.
Okay.
That's mine and Ryan's.
I know.
Yeah, okay. That you haven't recorded, have you?
No.
Okay, well, that's all for now, folks. Say bye.
Bye.